Assalamu alaikum. Today in the WAZWAN series I am going to show you how SOOJI halwa is made in WAZWAN. This video has been made with the help of local chefs or wazas. SOOJI halwa is often served as a dessert in Kashmiri weddings or gatherings. It's easy to make and a treat to taste buds. So let's get started. So first thing, in a vessel they have taken water and they are adding dry fruits to it. There's a mix of dry fruits, cashews, raisins, almonds, and then they will be adding sugar to it. And now they will keep it on the flame for a few boils till sugar is dissolved and dry fruits soften. And while boiling they had added turmeric powder to it, half a teaspoon, and now they are adding saffron water too, and it has been taken off the flame. And now in another vessel they have added ghee and they will keep it on the flame. Now they will heat up the ghee on flame and then take it off. And now they are adding SOOJI to hot ghee, but they have taken the vessel from off the flame. They will mix it and they'll keep it again on the flame. Here you can see. Now they will fry it till the SOOJI or semolina turns brown. WAZWAN is cooked on simmering flames of wood. They will fry SOOJI or semolina till it's brown, then they will take it off the flame, and then they will be adding the dry fruit and sugar mixture that they have added turmeric and saffron also. Now here you can see how they are adding this to SOOJI. It's quite hot, so we need to be careful with it. And now they have added all of the dry fruit and sugar mixture to SOOJI, fried SOOJI, and then they will keep it on the flame and cook till all the water is absorbed. It should be cooked properly because semolina should be soft also. They will keep stirring it continuously till it's done properly. And now here you can see it's cooked properly, no water is visible in it. Now they are transferring it to serving bowls to serve it hot, and it's garnished with poppy seeds and some dry fruits. Give this SOOJI halwa a try and let me know in comments how it turns. And do check out the other WAZWAN videos too. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.